Now, this is the speech in continuation to the speech of Alonso. Now, when Alonso demanded the proof from Prospero as to how he managed to save his life, how he managed to preserve his life, how thou hast met us here, whom 3 hours since were wrecked upon this shore. So he says that as to how is it possible for Prospero that he is over here, as since past 3 hours they were lying in a wrecked state. Where I have lost, how sharp the point of this remembrance is. So where I have lost, underline lost, here Alonso is speaking regarding his biggest loss of life. The biggest loss of life is his son. How sharp the point of this remembrance is. So whatever he was recalling, he says that this is the most pricky point of the remembrance. The most pricky point of the remembrance in the sense that he is really unable to forget regarding the loss of his son Ferdinand. My dear son Ferdinand, Prospero, I am woe for it, sir. I am really sorry for it, sir. For what purpose Prospero apologized Alonso? Prospero apologized Alonso for the sake of loss of his son. Alonso, irreparable is the loss, and patience says it past her cure. Alonso speaks about the irreparable loss, the loss that cannot be cured. And he says that patience, even the patience is denying. Even the patience is denying to cure it. Even the patience is saying that it is beyond the cure. So, time, it is described, even time, which is considered to be the which is considered to be the biggest healer, that is also refusing that this loss can be repaired. Alonso, irreparable is the loss. Which irreparable loss is discussed by Alonso over here? The loss of his beloved son, which actually he is not aware of, that his son is really surviving. And patience says it is past her cure, and patience says that it can never be cured. Patience says that it can never be cured. Described here is what? Described here is that time is the biggest healer. Even the time is denying to cure it. Prospero, I rather think you have not sought her help, of whose soft grace for the like loss I have her sovereign aid, and rest myself content. Prospero is trying to explain Alonso that probably he had not tried to seek the help of patience wholeheartedly. Here underline like loss. What is the like loss? Described, Prospero is trying to describe that he has lost his daughter. Now how come Prospero has lost his daughter? If you really recall my words, whosoever loved, that loved not at first sight. In the sense that when Miranda had fallen in love along with Ferdinand, Prospero has lost his daughter to Ferdinand. So Prospero says, I really do think that you have not tried to take the help of patience. You have not tried to take the help of patience. Rather, you are not willing to take it. Why? Because if you could have sought her help, her here is patience. If you would have taken the help of patience, whose soft grace for the like loss I have sovereign aid. Whose soft grace? Because of the soft grace of patience, because of the pitiable grace of patience, for the like loss, even the similar loss with which I have suffered. Even the similar loss with which I have suffered, here Prospero is trying to explain that he has lost his daughter. He has lost his daughter and Alonso has lost his son. I have a sovereign aid. I have a great, gentle, kind aid from the side of patience. I have a great, gentle and kind aid from the side of patience and rest myself content, and I am contented and I am satisfied. I am contented, I unsatisfied. I rather think you have not sought her help. I really do think that you have not taken her help. I really do think that you have not taken her help, of whose soft grace for the like loss I have sovereign aid, because I too myself have taken the aid of this patience, and because of its soft touch, because of its pitiable grace, I have overcome this grief, I have overcome this loss. I have her sovereign aid, I have got her compassionate help to bear the loss, and I am now contented, I am now satisfied. You the like loss. So immediate speech, which question was put forward by Alonso. After this speech to Prospero, he tried to reaffirm regarding the loss. As to which loss was suffered by Prospero. Prospero, as great to me as late and supportable, you make the dear loss. Have I means much weaker than you may call to comfort you? For I have lost my daughter. Prospero says, what? The loss is great to me. The loss is as great to me as it is to you, in the sense the way you have suffered the loss of son. It is similar loss for me. As late, of late, and supportable to make the dear loss, supportable to make the dear loss, have I means much weaker than thou may call to comfort you, for I have lost my daughter. I have not the support, or I do not have the support of anyone in order to cover up this loss. I do not have any support to cover up, to make up this dear. Dear is precious loss. What is the precious loss? Loss of Miranda. Have I means much weaker than you may call to comfort you. I do not have the stronger means. I do not have the stronger means as good as you. I am weaker in resources as compared to you, that I cannot make up my loss. I am weaker in resources. As compared to you, so I cannot make up this loss, for I have lost my daughter. I have lost my daughter. So Prospero here is trying to say that Alonso really do possess more resources as compared to Prospero, and he do not have that much of resources so that the loss of his daughter may be recovered. And further, what he says, he has lost his daughter. A daughter, oh heavens, that they were living both in Naples. The king and the queen there, that they were, I wish myself, were murdered in that oozy bed where my son lies. When did you lose your daughter? So here Alonso was taken aback the moment he got to know what? The moment he got to know that Miranda is also lost. Oh heavens, that they were living both in Naples, the king and queen there. So he says, oh heavens, I really do hope that they could have survived, and could have survived like king and the queen in Naples over there. They could have survived like king and queen in Naples over there. That they were, I really do hope that they could have been surviving like king and queen over there in Naples. Myself were murdered in that oozy bed where my son lies. That they were, he says, I think that I should also lie in that oozy bed. Oozy bed is sea. Oozy bed is sea where my son lies. When did you lose your daughter? So here Alonso is expressing his desire in order to give up his life at the same place where his son gave up his life. So what he says, a daughter, oh heavens, that they were living both in Naples. I really do wish that they both would have been surviving in Naples like the king and the queen there. That they were. I really hope myself that I also may be murdered in the same oozy bed, in the sea bed where my son lies. When did you lose your daughter? He inquired further, as to when he lost his daughter. Prospero in the last tempest. I perceive these lords as these encounter do so much admire that they devote their reason. I perceive these lords. I have grasped that these lords who are the lords over here, Ferdinand as well as Miranda. Ferdinand as well as Miranda. At this encounter, the moment they met for the first time, the moment they met for the first time after the tempest, do so much admire, they have lost in each other's admiration to that an extent that they devote their reason, that they have lost their reasoning power. That they devote their reason, that they have lost their reasoning power and scarce think. Their eyes do offices of truth. They can hardly think. Scarcely think, they can hardly think. Their eyes do offices of truth. Even they can believe their eyes. Only they can believe their eyes. Their words are natural breath. But howsoever you have been jostled from your senses, know for certain that I am Prospero. So what he says their words are natural breath. They are speaking normally, but they have lost their senses. Howsoever you have been jostled from your senses, but how come you have been deviated from your senses? You know for certain, you are very well aware that I am Prospero, and that very duke which was thrust from Milan, who was banished from Milan, who most strangely upon this shore where your wreckage was landed to be the lord on it. And I am the same Duke of Milan who was most strangely sent upon this shore, where you were wrecked, the same shore where you were lying in a wrecked state, where your ship was broken, and was landed to be the lord on it. I landed over there to be the owner of this island. So Prospero says that he has lost his daughter in the last tempest. I perceive these lords as this encounter do so much admire. I have grasped that these lords, who are these lords? These lords are Ferdinand and Miranda. At this encounter, at this meeting, they have lost their senses and have lost their reasoning power. They can scarcely think. Whatever they can believe their eyes, they are only able to do that. However, they are speaking normally. Then he further inquires this Alonso as to you have been jostled from your senses, as to how come you have moved from your senses. Why are you not able to believe that I am the same Prospero and the very Duke of Milan, which was thrust forth of Milan, who was exiled and banished from Milan, who most strangely upon this shore, where you were wrecked, was landed on to be the lord on it. I landed on the same shore where your ship was lying in a wrecked state. I landed on the same shore where your ship was lying in the wrecked state to be the lord on it, to be the owner of this island. No more of this. So Prospero denied in order to speak further regarding this island. No more of it. Prospero denied to speak further regarding this island.